Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato sauce for kabsa, only way. Start by sweating onions in oil until soft, add garlic and spices, and cook tomatoes down until thick and concentrated. Simmer gently to meld flavors, taste for balance, and adjust salt and sugar sparingly. Use strained sauce for an even texture and finish with a squeeze of lemon for brightness before combining with rice and meat. Begin by chopping onions finely and using olive oil to sweat them slowly until translucent. Add minced garlic, bay leaf, ground cumin, coriander, and a touch of cinnamon to release aromas. Stir in crushed tomatoes, tomato paste, and a splash of water, then simmer uncovered until reduced and thick. Strain if desired, then return to pan and adjust seasoning, adding lemon juice to brighten the sauce before serving with kabsa. To deepen flavor, roast whole tomatoes and char the garlic before blending into the sauce for smoky notes. Use a touch of sugar if tomatoes are overly acidic, and finish with chopped cilantro or parsley for freshness. Cool the sauce quickly and store in airtight containers. It keeps well in the fridge for 4 days or frozen for 3 months. Reheat gently and stir before mixing with rice and meats.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.